Hi guys, this is unboxing of pTron Bassbuds Duo. I have used this device. It is having 13 mm dynamic drivers for bass and the sound quality is good. I've got this product at price of 598 in Amazon Freedom sale. The the box quality and the earpiece qualities are cheap but could not complain for the price which I've got it. So if you guys want a truly wireless earphones, you can go for this as the sound quality of this device is good, and we are getting USB-C charger at this price. It will be compatible with your USB-C charger and the sound quality is good.